Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best nail gun for framing you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best framing nail gun in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our first pick is CRAFTSMAN CMC-N618C1 Nailer. This CRAFTSMAN CMC-N618C1 nailer is designed to eliminate the need for compressors, hoses, or costly gas cartridges. A contoured over molded handle and lightweight design helps minimize user fatigue during prolonged usage. Fully cordless design eliminates the need for compressors, hoses or costly gas cartridges. Provides consistent firing power in various climate conditions and materials. Lightweight with optimal center of gravity providing optimal balance and comfort in hand during use. Belt hook for added access and storage. For details, let's watch more.
When it comes to finish work, the CRAFTSMAN V20 20V Max 18 gauge nailer kit was built to perform. This 100% cordless nailer eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, and fuel cartridges. This nailer has extensive runtime, firing over 400 nails on a single charge. The easy-to-use depth adjust dial provides consistent results. Easily remove jam nails with the tool-free design, and if you need to work in low light conditions, dual LEDs have you covered, plus a contoured overmolded handle and included belt hook provide comfort and convenience. Give every job 100% with quality tools like the V20 20V Max 18 gauge brad nailer kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V.
Number 2 in this best nail gun for framing list is NuMax SFR2190 framing nailer. The SFR2190 is perfect for framing. Also use a framing nailer to install subfloors, roof decking, wood fencing, sheathing, and more. Set your compressor to 70 psi and use the quick connect fitting on your air hose to connect your framing nailer. If you have a really dense material, you can increase the pressure up to 115 psi. Put a few drops of oil into the fitting before connecting to a compressor to keep things running smoothly. Pull the side lever back along the magazine until it snaps into place. Drop the nails into the open channel on the top of the magazine. The angle of the nails should match the angle of the nose of the nailer. Lift the lever at the back of the magazine to release the side lever and secure the nails. This nailer is loaded with features that let you customize for any project. Change the depth adjust, 360 degrees air exhaust, or remove the NuMax tip for extra holding power. Our third choice is DEWALT DWFP12231 nailer. The DEWALT DWP12231 with 18 gauge 2-inch brad nailer drives 18 gauge brad nails from 5 by 8 inch to 2 inch, which makes it ideal for fastening decorative molding, casing, kitchen crown, and shoe molding. With its long life, maintenance-free motor, the DWFP12231 DEWALT finish nailer is ready to go to work. This electric finish nailer has long life, maintenance-free motor. Rear exhaust to keep contaminants away from work. Drives 18 gauge nails from 5/8 inch to 2 inch length. Adjustable belt hook allows the tool to be kept near the user. Let's watch more.
DEWALT Pneumatic Precision Point Finish Nailers. Designed to precisely place nails where you want them. The nailer fires without having to press hard into the surface, minimizing potential damage to the workspace. The non-marring precision point tip gets into tight locations, allowing you to place the fastener exactly where you want it. Adjusting depth or switching to sequential firing is an easy step. Ideal for high production precision carpentry, these oil-free nailers are designed to fasten efficiently, leaving a clean surface ready to be finished. Including convenient features that save time and keep you moving, like a tool-free jam release that's quick and easy. So whether you need to install thousands of feet of trim or create that perfect cabinet, DEWALT Precision Point Finish Nailers have you covered inside and out. And because it's a DEWALT nailer, you're protected for up to 7 years after purchase. The built to perform, completely redesigned line of DEWALT Precision Point pneumatic finish nailers and fasteners.
Fourth pick in this best nail gun for framing list is Freeman PFR2190 framing nailer. The Freeman PFR2190 pneumatic 21° 3 to 1 by 2 inch full round head framing nailer. With case is ideal for projects such as framing, subfloors, roof decking, pallet and shipping crate assembly, and fencing. This versatile air-powered tool is compatible with 10-12 gauge plastic collated 21° full round head framing nails from 2 inch to 3.5 inch, and a dual mode trigger allows the option of either bump or sequential firing. This versatile air-powered tool is compatible with 10 to 12 gauge plastic collated 21° full round head framing nails from 2 inch to 3.5 inch, and a dual mode trigger allows the option of either bump or sequential firing. This nail gun features a 360-degree adjustable exhaust to keep air out of your face, an anti-dry fire designed to extend the life of the tool, an anodized aluminum magazine and cylinder for increased durability, and a tool-free depth adjust for various applications. The body of this framing nailer is constructed of magnesium to reduce weight, making it easier to use for long stretches of time. The removable no-mar tip prevents damage to your working surface. Our fifth and last choice is Paslode Cordless XP Framing Nailer. The Cordless XP Framing Nailer system is designed to deliver 15% more power to increase productivity. Less standing nails and better drive performance into harder woods means you can put your hammer away and let this cordless nailer do it all. Plus, the new Paslode framing fuel with all-season formula lets you keep working in temperatures down to 14° Fahrenheit when compressor hoses are freezing. Drives nails flush and level and other hardwoods that remodelers encounter. Guaranteed durability, 50% longer runtime with 7 volts Li-ion battery for up to 9,000 nails per charge.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!